Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the Divine Nature Oracle deck and book set by Angi Sullins, and art is by Spalenka. Now this is recently released. I think it was at the end of March or the start of April. I'm not actually quite familiar with Angi Sullins decks, so I'm actually quite intrigued by this one. And one of the reasons why I actually bought it is because, as you know, I've been doing shadow work, and on my journey I've come to the conclusion that I need to heal the sacred feminine within me. So I felt very taken in by this deck in particular. So I intend to really begin and delve into this journey, implementing this oracle deck into my readings. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it has in store. And I don't know, I just already have a good feeling that this is just going to be an absolutely beautiful deck. So anyway, get it opened and I'll read you the description. Can you remember who you were before the world told you who you should be? You were born golden, and the earthly experience of humanity conditions you to believe you're made entirely of earth. But no matter how much encasing the world has put on you, nothing can change your divine nature, golden, radiant, and valuable. This 44 card oracle deck is like phoenix fire, melting away all that does not belong to your divine nature. The 100-page book is full of feathers of insight and talents of badassery. You don't need to rise from the fire, you are the fire. Both divine and natural, a treasure beyond your wildest imaginings. It's time that you spent it. That's really quite a lovely description. Yeah, I'm excited to check this. So look, you can see, oh wow. Yeah guys, this is, I can already tell that this is just definitely luxuriously crafted. So yeah, that image is really beautiful, and it's, yeah, it's magnetic. And oh, we have, I love I love things like this, just these little touches of having this really delicate organza bag. That is really lovely. And then we just have a little written piece here as well. So let me get into the guidebook. Let's have a flip through. Yeah, it really does feel quite luxurious. Let me see. Okay, so we have a short introduction, how to use this deck, and then we're straight into, yeah, the card meanings, which is nice. It's nice to see a colour reproduction here. I really quite like that. And then this little, oh, very nice. Okay, so I'm wondering, is that it? Is there no, okay, there doesn't seem to be any card spreads. A note from the author. Okay, so it doesn't really have as much information as I was expecting, kind of more on how to work with the deck. But you know, it's not a big deal because look at this, like even just going through these images here, it is really beautifully designed and well done. I don't want to go through it too much because we want to actually do that through the actual flip through. So here, oh, it's gold embossed. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love that. Oh, that is really beautiful. So actually, let me just open it. I want to be very careful with this now because I really don't want to mess up cards. This is just absolutely stunning. Like, and I can't even get the thing opened. Okay, here we go. So here we have a repeat here with this. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. So I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but it is picking up the gold gilding here as well, which is, oh my god, that is absolutely stunning. You know, this symbol here, it really, really reminds me of those beautiful henna tattoo designs, you know, the symbols. It's absolutely, oh my God, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, let's do flip through. So, and you know, I'm not normally one for borders, but these in particular don't bother me. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. God, there is so much detail here. Wow, this is beautiful as well. Kind of reminds you of the Hand of Fatima. Oh wow. Wow, I really love the clouds in this. This is beautiful. It's giving me Monet vibes. Just really visually stunning. Like there's a very vintage feel to these images. It kind of, you know, reminds me of old sacred paintings. This is quite like the Three of Cups. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of the Ace of Swords. Yeah, the artwork and the technique is really unique. It seems that the artist works with kind of a lot of different mediums, which is really cool. They kind of blend really well together. I'm noticing a lot of butterflies in it. Yeah, stunning. Wow. Yeah, this reminds me a little bit of the Knight of Cups. You know what I love here is that the artist has, is cleverly connecting some of the traditional imagery from tarot here. So I kind of feel overall that this deck will be implemented well as a clarifier to tarot. It's beautiful. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, this is this is stunning as well. Definitely definitely good as well for ground and work. Some of the borders are darker and others are lighter, so I wonder if there's a significance there. I'll have to read that guidebook. This is, oh my god, this is beautiful. And that's it. It was exactly what I expected because I knew when I saw the cover, I said this is going to be a stunning deck. And in particular, considering the journey I'm going on for healing the sacred feminine, definitely going to enjoy working with this. But I think in general it's going to be a good clarifier for tarot readings, and I also feel called to do a bit of feminine ancestral lineage work with this as well. So I'm looking forward to definitely experimenting with it anyway. As for the cardstock, it's beautiful. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Uh, I was a bit scared that maybe this could have been damaged like it has been with other decks, but no, it's actually really in great quality, and yeah, just even the backing on these cards are, my god, they are just absolutely stunning. So let me get another card here just to do a size comparison. And I have the Wooden Wardens. So yeah, so it's just slightly thinner, more slimmer than a Wooden Wardens. It's actually, do you know what, it's more of a tarot size in general. I can actually tell, I think this Oracle deck is going to work quite well with the Mystical Moments tarot deck. I think these two decks would marry really well together. Yeah, I have to say I am just really really excited to work with this. The imagery overall is just absolutely heavenly. There's just so much beauty and diversity in the images, and I really feel like this is going to complement a lot of decks in my collection. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to working with it. And I paid about £29 for this, so a little bit slightly more expensive than usual, but it is absolutely worth it. So yeah, I am really looking forward to working with this. So I'll leave the link down in the description bar below, guys, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.